Now, because we have the possibility of a harmonic minor scale, then that's actually going to give us more possibilities for chords and diatonic triads. Let's take a look and see why. Here's our natural minor scale, but now we can write a harmonic minor scale, and we have a G sharp. So that means that every time we have a chord that has a G in it, we don't use G natural, we use G sharp. Now, if we start off here, build a triad on 1, we've got A, C, and E. It's an A minor triad. It's the same thing. So far, so good. Second, B, D, and F. Same notes. Still the same. No problem so far. Now, if we build a triad here on the 3rd scale degree, then we have C, E, and G. But we don't use G natural. We have to use G sharp. And that's going to change the quality of the chord. So this is turns out to be an augmented triad. So the way we write an augmented triad is by writing an uppercase Roman numeral 3 and then put a plus next to it. And that tells us that, that it's a median triad, that it's augmented. Now, if we continue on up, the 4 chord, D, F, A, okay, that one's the same. So no big deal. Now we get to the 5 chord, E, G, and B. But again, it's not G, it's G sharp. So that changes the quality. It turns out to be an E major chord, and therefore we now have a major 5 chord. 6 is the same, and then the 7 is clearly different. G sharp, B, and D. This changes the quality to a diminished chord. Okay? And it still gets harder because we have one more scale, the melodic minor scale. We'll do that in the next lesson.